So, we're more than halfway through the year, and you might be thinking the same thing as me. How can I make the rest of the year better? I've always fallen off the wagon with my planning, but I think it was because I wasn't doing it right or haven't found the right system. I used to do a lot of to-do lists, and that makes me more overwhelmed and doesn't help me focus on what I really want to do, which is focus more on my health and family. So now that we're way past the halfway mark of the year, I really want to make the most of the rest of the year and find the best planning method for me. So I've decided to jump back into planning in hopes of finding a better routine for myself and for all the things I want to do. This time, I'm using a simple planner that I made. This is available in my shop if you're interested, and I'll provide the links below. I made this because all the other planners I've seen are way too overwhelming, and there are too many lists and too many sections, which feels like I have to fill everything out. This simple planner is just a weekly planner that has all the basics: a monthly spread, a weekly planner, and notes in the back if you need it. So before we get into planning, I want to share some of my current favorites. It's summer here and the sun is on full blast these days. I have very sensitive skin, and sometimes, as much as I know how important sun protection is, sunscreens just don't feel great on my skin. I recently tried this sunscreen from Supergoop, and I'm loving it on my face so far. It's not as greasy and thick as normal cream. It's actually drops that you can mix into your usual face cream. It feels lightweight enough for me to use daily. And Amazon Prime Day was a month ago, and we finally splurged on this Robo Vacuum. It has been great having this around because sometimes I just put off vacuuming a little too long, and this Robo Vacuum takes all that effort out. And it keeps me motivated in cleaning more because my floors are clean, and every time this thing runs, I have to do a little tidying anyway, and that keeps me on track. Other tech things I bought was this Apple Watch holder because I wanted it at the desk, and having a stand makes it easier for me to check the time also. And as a little treat to make my desk a little cuter, I got this toaster light that keeps me company while I work. I can't believe it's August already. Time flies, and I feel like I haven't done too many summer activities yet. This month, my intention is to be healthy and prioritize self-care. I want to start getting back into exercise and start a routine for myself so that I'm not just doing things by reaction. Things tend to get a bit chaotic day to day because I haven't planned anything ahead of time. Next, I also want to get my house in order because since we've moved in a few years ago, I haven't really organized anything. We've just put things down where there's a flat surface, so there's a lot of clutter and no dedicated space for things. If you're interested in my progress, I've started a series of Clean With Me videos on this channel, so take a look at those. And some of my important to-dos are to review some daycares that I would like to put my kids in. We're at an age now that it would be advantageous for my oldest to get into a better daycare so that we get sibling priorities for my younger child. And just a lot of backlog for life admin things like submitting health insurance documents and all these other paperwork that I need to do. I also want to be more consistent on here, so I want to create a schedule for my videos so you can see more of these more consistently. My August is not very busy, and I'm okay with that. Summer is great for being spontaneous with fun activities, so I like to leave my calendar open for that. But I am starting off the month with a short trip with my friends and a much needed time away from normal mom life. And then at the end of the month, our daycare closes for summer break. So this is a reality check that summer is coming to an end. If you'd like to see how I try to navigate mom life productively, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!